Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're with the Kawasaki GPZ 1100. Actually, we're really with the GoPro MAX and this pole. So guys, in the last couple of weeks I've gotten loads of emails, loads of direct messages about how am I getting the footage from the riding videos. Is somebody riding with you? Is it a drone? How are you doing it? And guys, basically what I'm using, the GoPro MAX. This is not informational about the GoPro MAX. This is any 360 camera that you're using. Mainly the rig that I'm using to get the shots that I'm getting. And I'll put all the links in the description below. This most important part right here is this mounting clamp that's got multiple adjustment points. And then I made my own pole. Here, this is my own pole. This was a Swiffer mop handle that I took apart, ran a piece of all thread through it, and then put my ends on each end so that it was nice and sturdy, nice and solid. It all depends on where you mount it. We're in this parking lot here today because I'm going to change the positions. You'll see the position I put it in, and then you'll see the results of that. All of the riding videos look the same. They're hands, handlebars, gauges, and then the road ahead. And then you never get to see what the motorcycle is. And so I wanted something that you could actually see the bike on the ride. Once I put it on the bike, and then you can manipulate the footage post, come on, you can get exactly what you want. So we're gonna go through, I'm gonna show you 4 different positions and then the results of those positions. Okay, so here's our first position. You can see it mounted in the very back of the bike thing. The one thing you wanna keep and be aware of is that you want to make sure your camera and your pole are all in line as much as you can, and then be aware that you'll probably have a stitch line somewhere right in line where your pole is, meaning where the footage from the front is going to mesh with the footage from the back. So just keep that in mind in where you're placing it. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So we've moved the camera from this mounting position where it was straight up and down. We just moved it down the rack to where it's coming out this way. So now we're going to see a little bit further down the road and the front of the bike, in addition to seeing what's behind us. So let's run this on a lap and see what it looks like. Moved the camera from the back here to now it's mounted on the front frame right there, and look, now you're going to get a completely different angle, which is what's awesome. So let's go ahead and run this. Okay, so I went ahead and moved. Remember, it was further out. It's in the same spot on the frame, except I just angled it up more towards the top of the bike to where the other one, it was laying down here, just to give you different angles. This, guys, I'm showing you just a few of them. This endless opportunities, and it depends on what your bike is going to afford you too, right? I can mount down here. I can clamp on the peg stay. I can clamp on this bar on both sides, and I'm only doing one side, so you can go to the other side. Let's run this, see what it looks like. And by the way, I'm in an abandoned shopping mall parking lot. That's why I'm not wearing a helmet, because I'm getting on the bike and getting off the bike, talking, and it would be too much. And plus, it's 100+ degrees outside. That's why I'm not wearing a helmet, but I'm also in an abandoned parking lot, and I'm just making a lap. Let's check this out. So guys, there you have it. A quick little rundown of some of the mounting points for the GoPro MAX to get the different angles that you want. If you get one, just experiment with it. Have fun. It makes every bike ride, every motorcycle ride a little bit more fun, because you get to share more of the experience of riding it from different perspectives. You get to see it from different perspectives. I'll give you an example. Carrie and I went on a ride the other day, and it's the first time that we've ever been able to both be in the same frame and be clear. Now it's like somebody's following us, and it's really, really cool. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guide, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Plan B Moto, Pete's Classic Cycle, and Lady Moto Bang, and give those guys a subscribe too. And be sure to check out twowheelsanddeals.com. Free to list, free to sell, free to buy motorcycle parts, motorcycles. Check it out. It's our buddy Casey. He's starting this thing up. Let's give him all the support we can. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.